Hey there, I'm Tarun from Copperx. At Copperx, we are building blockchain payment APIs for businesses. Today, we are going to see the demo video of payment links. Using payment links, anybody can send online products, crowdfunding, donations, or even accept recurring billing. So let's get started. I can create a payment link from my dashboard under the payment links tabs. There can be multiple types of payment links. For example, a fixed price one, or I can allow my users to select the amount that they want to pay. Let's go ahead and create a payment link for 10 USDC. I'll name my payment link as a blockchain conference. I can collect few more information like email, phone number, billing and shipping details from the user. I can customize the button text from pay, book or donate. Once I create a payment link, I can share it with my user over WhatsApp, email or Telegram. This is how the payment page looks like to the user. I can customize this page according to my brand color and add logo. User have an option to select the network and currency that they want to make a payment in. They can scan a QR code using their mobile wallet to make a payment, or they can initiate a transaction from their MetaMask wallet in their browser. Let's go ahead and make a payment using my MetaMask. Once the payment is successful, this is how the success page looks like. We email payment receipt to your user, and user can also download the receipt from the success page. Let's go ahead and see our dashboard, how it looks like in our dashboard. So in dashboard, we have a list of payments that is made by the user. I can see the status of each and every transaction, and I can also see the details of the payment. So you saw how easy it is to create a payment link using Copperx within 5 minutes. We can't wait to see what you can do with payment links. Thank you so much for watching this video.